Good morning, boys and girls. We've got a book today for this snowy day, and our book is called Snow Joke. Snow Joke, and you should be able to see it on your screen. Snow. So the bunny woke up sad and saw that it has snowed. Getting dressed to go out. Hey, who threw that? Somebody threw a snowball at her. That's not funny, said Bunny. It's just a joke, said Red. Let's make a snowman. So they're making the snowman. He took the hat off of her head and put it on the snowman. That's not funny, said Bunny. It's just a joke, said Red. Let's make snow angels. So they made their snow angels. Oh my goodness, he's put a tail and some horns on hers. That's not funny, said Bunny. It's just a joke, said Red. Let's go sledding. So they're all on their sleds. Uh-oh, what happened to her? That's not funny. It's just a joke, said Red. Let's go skate. Red sped. Red pushed. Oh, they all fell down, and look what happened to him. Red fell. Wah! That's a good joke, said Bunny. It's not funny, said Red. His tail is hurting him. Everyone went to Bunny's house, but where was Red? Red was on the step. Have some cocoa, said Bunny. Then Red told a joke, a really good joke, and everyone liked it. So now he has realized that they did not really like him making fun of them or doing things to them, but they've worked it out. Maybe they can enjoy the rest of their snow day. All right, boys and girls, that was called Snow Joke. Hope you enjoyed it.